So, hello everyone. Today I have Ambalika with me. She's a mindset coach and an accountability partner. She has been a communication trainer for almost 7 years now. Recently, she pursued her NLP practitioner certification, and here she is today to share her experience with all of us. Welcome, Ambalika.
Hi, sir.
How are you
Thank you.
doing?
Yeah. Going good, going very good.
Superb. I want to know, and the viewers want to know, what specific challenges did you face before NLP program, practitioners program, that drove you to NLP practitioners?
Right. My background in communication had brought me to notice that during extreme deadlock situations, whether it is during a conversation on the professional front or with friends, family, and even during my coaching, uh, there is a tendency to not know what to do next. So, as a coach, that can be a little unsettling. I cannot afford to take long pauses. I cannot afford to ask an inappropriate question, and definitely cannot afford to lose rapport. So,
Absolutely.
yeah. I was getting by without much disaster, but I knew I can do with help. So when I came across your program and when it said advanced rapport building,
Right.
there's a module on that. So my eyes literally went, wow, I need this.
Right. I
So that
know.
was what literally drew me in into the program.
Amazing.
And it
Amazing.
was mind blowing to know that there are actually so many more steps. I mean, as a communication coach, I knew that one wrong word, one word out of place can spoil everything. But this NLP practitioner module actually made me realize there's much more than the words that can break and make rapport.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And you'll be familiar with this. Anything new that comes in the mind is like, should I? Shouldn't I? Oh no, 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 no. This is not how I am. So
Right.
it was actually a bit of a challenge to push myself to accept those techniques that we learned. But
Amazing.
the way we could practice it through the breakout rooms and the examples and scenarios that were discussed by every participant and the experiences that you shared gradually brought a change in my mindset. And I actually became pretty excited to try it out.
That's
And
great.
I did have a challenge also. There
Okay.
was a challenge lurking in the background.
Okay.
And that was, I think, the final motivating factor to put in 100% focus on what was being taught.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, I tried out each and everything that you mentioned as part of advanced rapport building.
Superb.
And
Superb.
the cohort was so supportive. There was so much of energy that I was able to maintain that momentum and instantly use it for that challenge that I was facing.
Wonderful.
Uh, I was hoping that maybe it will sustain me for 10-15 minutes, and that would be great. I can give myself a pat in the back. But I was amazed that it picked up such good flow that I went on for more than 60 minutes. And it was easily the most difficult conversation in my professional life.
Wow. Okay.
And it might sound a bit like boast, but I do not know of anybody else who had that long and relaxed a conversation for that particular subject
Wow.
that I had to deal with. And I was so stressless. And even the other person was feeling so glad to be discussing. And I could realize the magic of the advanced rapport building techniques.
Wonderful.
Everything that I wanted to find out, I went with an investigative mindset, like the truth or not, but no false. I don't want any made up stories. That can be very challenging if you do not have specific techniques because the other person
Absolutely.
immediately goes in the defensive mode.
Absolutely.
But this was so relaxed. I did not feel the tension of having to ask a difficult question. The other person felt so comfortable revealing the truth. And in fact, not only did I get my answers, I also got a lot of bonuses out of the
I
interaction.
remember that. I remember the call of yours when you shared that breakthrough of yours. That, I mean, really, I was really happy. and I was glad that what you came for, you got. Apart from advanced rapport building, was there any specific tools that are actually helping you right now with your
Yes, yes,
day-to-day activities and work, if you can
yes.
share?
Coach, yeah, as a coach, that we learned it, I think, right on day one, where we were very specifically told that there are inner stories, there are inner movies, and then there is the physiology. So on day one, I was like, okay, so I was like, okay, yes, I know this. Yeah. So at an intellectual level, that was very good to know. And I did actually make a big deal out of it. But later on, when I restarted coaching again, I realized, oh, this is what's happening. I'm getting a lot of stories from the client, and that's really not pushing the conversation anywhere. It's if at all anything, the time is getting extended, and we all know as a coach, our efficiency and effectiveness is how quickly we can help the other person come to a solution.
Absolutely. And I'm sure Meta model also helped you decode those
Yeah.
stories.
Yes, yes. So together with asking the right questions so that we can skip the story and focus on the physiology, calm the person down, and then take them to the meta state, and then come to that solution mindset.
Wow.
Well, actually, wow.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So if you can quickly tell us, Ambalika, what has been your breakthrough during the training or after the training?
Yes, breakthrough is definitely quickly coming to the point that, okay, now the client is leading me to a lot of stories, so cut through. Doing that without losing rapport, and while maintaining that rapport, gently encouraging them to shift away from the problem that is making them feel uncomfortable, and motivate them towards looking at the solution. So it
Right.
neatly actually came as a good package in this practitioner course, which is, I think, specifically designed for coaches, because that has been my experience and that's how it's been helping me. So these were my
Absolutely.
3 breakthrough moments. So as I attended the days, I could see that this is how it's going to help me. And once I restarted coaching after the practitioner, I saw it in action and I couldn't help but be in awe. So those
Wonderful.
were my breakthroughs.
Thank you so much for sharing. Is there anything else that you would like to tell the viewers who are watching this video currently?
Yes, I definitely recommend this program and the trainer self because, yes, you can go to anybody and learn NLP. We all agree that NLP is fast, and
Absolutely.
it always comes to a point that you feel that I've learned, but then I would learn more. I would like to learn more. So what do I do? But at the same time, you cannot just go to anybody and learn. There is a connectivity issue over there. So,
Connectivity issue, right?
yeah. So unless you have that kind of rapport, because when we are coming to learn something as serious as NLP, we have definitely come because we have experienced a lot of stuff in life.
True.
So if we have to get benefit out of a program, we should be feeling that comfort where we can share it, know that we will not be judged, and know that it's perfectly okay to share it and that we can receive help. So that was definitely there with you.
Thank you
So
so much.
yeah, right from the first call to the end. And I still remember when I asked you that, sir, I want to be the best NLP practitioner of my generation. Now looking back, that was quite a daring question to ask. But, I said it, but your answer was, you knew it should be a yes or a no. And you said yes. There's no
Right.
judging there. Like, why is she asking this? I also did not feel like thinking, what will Saif think? So, when you have that kind of comfort level, learning goes to a different space.
True.
And
Absolutely.
that is amazing. So definitely the quality of delivery that comes from Saif is just the, what we
Thank
say,
you so much.
char chand lagana
Oh, thank you so much.
on
Thank you
the
so much.
already good content. So thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
and
Thank
I
you so
wish
much.
you many more students very soon.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for everyone for watching this video. I'm sure you got to know how Ambalika has benefited herself from NLP Practitioners Program. And you must have already thought how you can benefit yourself. So if you have any more questions, you know where to reach out to me. Thank you so much. Thank you.